PEFT in machine learning stands for parameter efficient tuning, and it is a technique used in natural language processing to improve the performance of pre-trained language models on specific downstream tasks. There has been a lot of research going on different PEFT method out there, and RoSA is one of them. According to these researchers, Mehdi, Sorosh, and Dan, this method is better than LoRA or low rank adaptation. Low rank adaptation is yet another machine learning algorithm which is used to speed up the models in a smaller format so that you won't need much resources in very simple words. Now, RoSA is a low rank adapter method that claims to outperform LoRA. This RoSA method is a standard LoRA adapter, usually a way smaller, and also trains an additional sparsified adapter. The sparse adapter comes from matmulling the LoRA adapters and dropping weights below a threshold. If you go through the paper, it is also quite interesting. It says that they will be mixing it up with QLoRA, though I'm a bit not sure about that bit, but one of the things which I noticed that it has additional around 2 GB overhead, but it is for specific use cases. So this RoSA stands for robust adaptation, and as I said earlier, it is a new PEFT method inspired by robust principal component analysis that jointly trains low rank and highly sparse components on top of a set of fixed pre-trained weights to efficiently approximate the performance of a full fine-tuning solution. They also have tried this RoSA method across a lot of challenging generative tasks such as school math or SQL query generation, which definitely requires fine-tuning for good performance. And they have experienced that RoSA has outperformed both LoRA and pure sparse fine-tuning at the same parameter budget. And they have also provisioned system support for RoSA to complement the training algorithm, especially in form of sparse GPU kernels which enable memory and computationally efficient training. One downside, should I say, their code is still not available, and this is one thing whenever these researchers are introducing these sort of paper, I believe that they should also release the code with it instead of just the paper, because that would help us in maybe trying out these research paper, because we are not really math wizards or machine learning experts, and action speaks louder than theory, so it will be good to see this thing in action. Anyway, if you read through this paper, seems quite interesting to me. These are few of the benchmarks and comparison of fine-tuning with Llama to 7 billion using FFT, LoRA, SPA and RoSA in terms of memory usage. And you can see in the bold where RoSA has outperformed. So numbers are quite good, but really would love to see the code and how to implement it in own lab. That's it guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.